Do you trade options and need help growing your account? Are you trying to generate consistent monthly income? If you said yes, then look no further. No matter your trading account size, OptionsTradingSignals.com will teach you how to find winning option plays, execute trades, and profit from the passage of time known as theta. Visit www.OptionsTradingSignals.com today.
This is your Trader Tip of the Week. I'm Brian Benson with this week's tip. I'm having a look at Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY, of course. And boy, this is just a beautiful looking chart, one that we're not seeing too many of in this bearish market for sure. And they recently had a breakout above the area around 320. So that old resistance has now become a support level, and the stocks continue to move up from there. One way to play this with some margin of safety would be to do a put vertical credit spread. And this is where we would be selling a out of the money put, and in this case we would want it to be below that 320 level, and that's where our safety comes from. And we would want to buy a lower strike and turn this into a spread so that we have defined risk on the trade. Now, we should be able to sell a higher price strike and buy a lower price one and get a net credit for doing that. And I'm looking at the 29th of July expiration. And the reason for that is the Lilly has earnings on August 4th. And we could also go out to the normal monthly expiration in August. The strikes are $10 wide out there. But I would want to close that trade more than likely before that earnings report on August 4th and not turn this into an earnings trade. But it's a nice little income generating trade with a margin of safety. The whole idea being that we are somewhat safely below the support level at 320 with our short strike, and that gives us a pretty high probability trade. So I'm Brian Benson. That's this week's Trader Tip. I'm with OptionsTradingSignals.com.